form a line 2 meters apart. Okay? 2 meters apart. 2 meters apart, please. 2 meters apart. Yan, para hindi magkabulbuhol mamaya. So we can execute properly the game. We need 1 coordinators po for each tribe. Please, 1. Okay, next. Yes, be careful, the rope dapat hindi maputol. It should be intact. Otherwise, you will be out or disqualified. Or we can replace another tali. But I think no more time. Yeah. Okay, again. Bakit napigtas? No, we tried that one. So, can I help the tali? Be careful, that's why that's the challenge. That's the challenge. Be careful, that's why we need to be careful. Okay, one more time. The last one must have the tali, the rope. Okay? In your body. Tali mo na. Then you have to run to the next member. The next member will have remove the tali. Can we have the flag, please? All coordinator, can you get the flag? All coordinators, representative, please, yung flag. Can you get all the flag? 17, nasama yung 17. We need 17. Can you get the flag and move it here? Kung saan sila? You need to get the flag. Yes, lahat magsasakot. Joyce, we are calling Joyce. Joyce? Who's Joyce? Well, ang tulido. Joyce Mangi. Joyce? Oh, Joyce? Joyce, okay. Ate, can you... Those flag po, kung kanino man yan, doon po kayo nakapila, please. Who's the flag? Let's say white flag. Ate, ano? Ate Ruth. Which flag pa belong? Kanyan. So, doon ko po kayo nakapila. Okay? Because that's the basis for sack race. Or you can do that. No problem. Okay? You have to make it sure your flag is here. You should not hold anything. Okay. Teka lang. Okay. It's up to you. It's just a strategy. Opo, babalik. Okay, I will explain again. That's why we need to listen. I will explain again. Please, listen. Okay? We have a flag here. Okay? All your flags are here. Okay? Your objective, ate, teka lang, wait. Your objective is turn around through the sack race. But before you can do that, you have to use the rope at the back from the start. Okay? Wrap from the first member and the second member, kailangan kukunin niya. You will get the rope, the second member passes. But through turning left or turning right, it's up to you. But be careful. Kailangan di ba rip off or should be intact. Pag na-rip off, okay, deduction or maybe disqualified. It's up to them. It's up to them. Here, in the flag. The flag. Okay. Yes. Listen ko na. So once you reach the first line, okay, listen. Once you reach the first line, the first member must go to the flag using the plastic race. Example. Sampo ka, okay. Okay, go, kuya. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which flag? Kailangan spread kasi puti yung flag. Okay. And the next one will be to do the next one, the next member. Yes, tatanggalin, pass the next member, come here, forward. Okay, until the last one will do it. Then the last one will come to me and say the title. Yung rope, kailangan tapusin mo na yung rope. The rope is in the first stage. Okay, do you understand this one? I'll go one by one. I'll go one by one. I'll go one by one here. Okay? So there's the rope, right? At the end. Okay. So you have to pass that rope right there. This is the rope. Do the sub race. Yeah, you are the last one for the rope. Okay? So kailangan you have to pass another one to 8 to 9. So it should be 8, 4, 6, and 2 more. Then after that, you have to go there and pass the sub race here. Okay? You need to adjust because okay na? So you have to adjust 2 members again. No problem. Okay, about here. Malinaw na? Okay. About here, clear? Who is the last one? How you can understand if we are explaining and you are still doing it? Come here. So the last one has to hold the rope. Ipapasa mo sa kanya by turning, right, left. It's up to you. Then pasa. Then until you reach the end. Who's the first one here? Oh, so no need for the rope. Okay? Just sack race. Yeah, pass it to them. After the last one, we'll do the sack race. Okay, everyone will do the sack race. Sino, Sin? Oh, sige lang, pasa na lang sa iba. Oh, make it sure 9. Make it sure 9. Okay? Sino magta-time dito? Sino timer? We need a timer. Sino magta-time? Okay, there's a timer, okay? Ate, bilangin nyo lahat, dapat ikot 9. Wait, bitch ko muna. Nine din. Yes, 9 dapat ang sack race because everyone. Yeah, explain. Yeah. So you should do the sack race all 9. Okay. If you are 7 members, you need to add 2 because they will count 9 members. Okay. Ano pa?
Ano ba yan?
So ang start from there. Yung tali. Okay? Yes, katari na free tali na eh. Naka-free wrap na. Pagkapas mag-start. Pag-start ng time, dapat ang timer nandun eh. Sila ang timer. Kasi pag ikot nila ng 9, yun na yung timer, yun yung last. Hindi yun. Last na lang yun, parang compliance na lang yun. Okay, do it again. Okay? Clear? Any question? Wala na yung tali. Tapon na yun. That's the last one na lang. Okay. Counselors. Sabay-sabay nga. Okay. Move backward sa likod. Kailangan 2 meters apart. You are too near. It's very dangerous. Too near. Move backward. Can you do this one please? Sideways. So we can start the game. Mamaya na yung sako. Hindi rin suotin sa last. So walang problema. Okay. The time starts when I say start. Okay? And it will end if you have the 9 member go to your run. Okay? Ngunit na lang. Kasi just sa compliance niyo. Pagkakapas sa'yo, that's the time. Diyan na lang. Kung maganda ba? Doon na lang. Dito na lang yung ikot. Okay, again, I will do it. I will say it again. Okay? One member at the back will have the free wrap. Okay? Can you do it now, please? Be careful. It should not be, it should be intact. It should not be break. Can you do sideways, please? Sideways muna, so you have enough space. Okay. Media Ministry, where are you? Media Ministry? We need photos. Okay, you do that also. Apo. I think you need to follow the lines. You just need to follow the lines of each member. Okay, I think you are too near here. But it's alright, we have enough space. Okay, it is done. Okay, it's all freed up. Okay, face here. Okay, are we ready? Timer, meron na ba kayo timer? Bro, you have a timer? Timer. Oh, walang timer ito. Dapat may timer dito. Can you please, you have all the timer? Timer, kuya. Timer. Each flag has its own timer. Each flag. Si kuya dito sa Hakay. Walang timer. Timer. Okay, again. Listen, one more. This is the one more question. One more, yung instruction. From the very beginning, you have to unwrap your rope to the next member, okay? Try not to break the rope until you reach the 8th line. Then you reach the 8th line, then sack race. Everyone has to do the sack race in the 9th time. Then you are 9th members. If you have 7, 8, the other member will do it again. Is that clear? Dito magta-timer. So you have a timer. Okay, can you check all the timers please if you have all your own timers? Otherwise, it will be timer. When I say go, the timer starts. Okay? Let me check first at the back. To do the rope. The rope only is the first stage. Once you are done, all sack race. All the rope first is done. That's the first stage of challenge. Then all sack race. Okay? So once you are done with your rope, all sack race. Kuya, walang tatali muna, walang hawak. Hindi dapat ang mag-rope. Ulit lang isa, ulit pa rin. So that's our jacket. Kulang talaga. Baka mo lang hawak. Iwalay mo na, walang hawak. Wala pong hawak, kuya. No need to hold. Yeah, you need to pass this one to her. Okay? Dito ko muna. Kuya, i-align mo, kuya. Align. Okay, align. Don't need to hold mo na, mamaya magpasa. Okay? Kuya, hold mo na. Walang mag-hold. Wala po muna hawak eh. Dito po muna lahat. Wala po muna hawak. Don't hold it yet. Okay? Okay, are we ready? Are you guys ready? Remember, first stage of the game is the rope challenge. You have to pass that one until to the first. The first will not do the rope, okay? Only the sack race. He has to pass on that stage. Then pass to the next group. Make it sure you have all 9 members. If you are only 7, then you need to replace or you need to do it again times, 2 times. Make it sure you have to 9. So all flag bearer, you have to count 9. All flag bearer, you have to count 9. Once you pass the 9 members, stop the time. I will get the time later. Do we agree? Is it clear? Is it clear? It is not perfect, but we can do it as the best as we can. Are you ready? Again, on the mark. Please remove all the shoes, very dangerous. Okay, photographer. Okay, you can ready your sack race. You can ready the first line. You can ready, no problem. Okay, on my mark. Ready. Remember the objective, the rope must be intact. And everyone must do the sack race in 9 times. Ready. Set. All media ministry. Ready. Go! Time starts now. Oh, wala po muna sa race. Mamaya na sa race after the rope. After the rope. The sack race later. The sack race later. What are you doing? Wait for the rope. Oh, hindi na intindihan. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, wait now, it's second thing. Go, 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 go. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.